What happens when a person loses oxygen? In the blink of an eye, life can be altered irrevocably. Today, we'll explore the unsettling consequences of oxygen deprivation on the human body. The body is a complex machine, and oxygen fuels it. Without it, our systems begin to malfunction, and the effects can be life-threatening. When oxygen supply is cut off, the first to suffer are the brain cells. Within 3 minutes, brain cells start dying, leading to brain damage and eventually a complete blackout. Simultaneously, the heart goes into overdrive, attempting to pump blood faster to manage the oxygen crisis. This increased heart rate can lead to severe complications like cardiac arrest. Your lungs, too, aren't immune to the lack of oxygen. They may start overexerting, leading to respiratory distress or even total respiratory failure. Next, your skin starts turning blue, a condition known as cyanosis, due to the insufficient oxygenated blood circulating in your body. As the crisis continues, your body enters into a state of shock. This triggers a sudden drop in blood pressure, potentially leading to organ failure. Your kidneys, responsible for cleaning your blood, also suffer. With less oxygen, waste products build up, causing severe damage to this vital organ. The overall impact on the body is nothing short of catastrophic. It functions like a doomed sinking ship, with each organ system slowly shutting down. However, the human body is also incredibly resilient. Prompt medical intervention can reverse some of these effects, emphasizing the importance of quick response in oxygen deprivation scenarios. In conclusion, oxygen is not just vital, it's the very essence of life. Its absence, even for a short period, can have dire consequences. So remember, every breath you take is a precious gift. Breathing may be involuntary, but understanding its importance is a conscious choice. Facing the unseen, the consequences of oxygen deprivation. Imagine a world without oxygen. It's an unseen force, yet it's the lifeline that keeps us alive. Without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. The first thing that occurs when oxygen disappears is panic. Our body sends out distress signals, heart rate spikes, and breaths become rapid. Our brain, aware of the dire situation, kicks into overdrive. A minute in, the body starts to force a shutdown. Cells and tissues deprived of oxygen begin to die, leading to a state known as hypoxia. Permanent damage creeps in, most notably in the brain. Just 5 minutes in, the situation worsens. The brain enters a critical state of oxygen deprivation, leading to irreversible damage. The risk of a hypoxic brain injury, characterized by mental confusion and motor control loss, intensifies. At 10 minutes, a person might fall into a coma. The body's internal systems are rapidly failing. Their heart, starved of oxygen, struggles to pump blood, ushering in a cardiac arrest. 15 minutes into this ordeal, the prognosis is grim. The likelihood of a full recovery dwindles. The brain, the heart, the organs all surrender to the lack of oxygen. Death is imminent. But what if help arrives in time? Medical intervention can make a difference. Oxygen support, heart resuscitation, even brain stimulation techniques can help reverse some of the damage. Yet, the road to recovery is an uphill battle. It involves comprehensive rehabilitation, physiotherapy, and immense mental strength. Even then, the person may never regain their former self. Oxygen deprivation isn't just a hypothetical scenario. It's a reality in many cases: drownings, cardiac arrests, and choking incidents. It's a silent predator, striking when least expected. Prevention is the best defense against oxygen deprivation. Learning CPR, using safety equipment in water, and understanding the Heimlich maneuver can help save lives. Remember, oxygen is life. It's the invisible thread that weaves us into the fabric of existence. Without it, our story ends abruptly. With it, we live to tell another tale. Take a deep breath. Treasure the oxygen you inhale. Because without it, life, as we know it, wouldn't exist.